Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will create a database with populated tables that you can use to practice SQL and SQL Server. I will go over how to create a database, how to execute the SQL script to generate our tables, and then lastly, how to view the tables in the database. Now keep in mind that the link to generate our tables will be available in the description section right under the video. So first we're going to create our database to store our tables. So in order to create our database, we're going to right click on the databases folder. Then select new database. Then give your database a name. In this case we're going to use Practice SQL. Then click OK. Next click the new query button and ensure that the correct database is selected. In this case it says Practice SQL. So that has to be the correct database or you'll send the tables to the wrong database. And the next what we're going to do is we're going to go to the description section and find that link that has the script to create all of our tables. So once you find the link, click on the link, and once you get in there you're going to find that there's a lot of script that you're going to need to select all of it and then click copy. And then we're going to paste it here in this white interface. But make sure you get all of the script in the link. Okay, so now we're going to paste the script here in this white interface. So we right click, click paste, and as you can see it's a lot of script that was generated by SQL Server. So we click execute, and you'll see where it just says one row affected. And now we're going to take a look at our tables that were created and populated in the database. So we're going to click on new query, and again make sure the right database is selected, and in this case our database is called Practice SQL. And now to view all of the tables that are in our database, we're going to take the select keyword and then an asterisk, which means all, show all the tables from information schema tables. Click execute, and this shows all of the tables that are stored in our database. So you see there's a computers table, courses table, customer, and there's quite a few tables that you can use to practice with. Now if you want to view information about a specific table, you could type EXEC SP columns and then the name of the table that you want to look at. So there is a customer table that's in our database. So we'll highlight just this, click execute, and here you can see the columns, data types, and all kind of information that has to do with that specific table. And then you can also query tables here. Do select asterisk, which means select all the columns from the customer table. So we'll run this one and you'll be able to see the customer table. And here's the customer table. Now another way to view information about our Practice SQL database is to click the plus sign next to the database, and then you can click on tables and it'll show you all of our tables here. And then you can expand any table that you'd like, and that'll show you columns, keys, constraints, triggers, and in this case the customer table has the following columns. I hope you enjoyed creating a practice database today, and then I hope you also have fun practicing some of the queries that are on the channel. For more in-depth learning, please check out my SQL course that's in the description section below.